Hello, welcome once again to my platform. If you are new to this platform, you are welcome. And to all my old subscribers, thank you for always being here. I'm so grateful. Today, I'm just making a quick video on how to embellish your turban. One thing is to create the turban or make the turban. Another thing is to know how to use your embellishment for the turban. So today I'll be showing you some few embellishments and how I use them to enhance the look of my turban. So I have about four turbans and I'll be decorating the four quickly. The idea might help one or two persons. So I'm starting with this um, purple one. So I'm starting with this. Of course, I have created the style. I have my bows on it. And of course, if you're interested in knowing how to achieve this style, I have videos on how to create all these styles. But for today, my focus is on how to do your finishing design. So I got some few things from the market that I'll be using for my decoration. First of all, I have some stones, fabric stones I bought from the market, and then I also have some patches that I'll be working with. So quickly, the first thing I did was to use my fabric stone on each of these the bow that you can see here. I just use the fabric stone. It's something that looks common, but when I finished with the design, it came out so unique and it makes the turban more gorgeous, make it more gorgeous. So now that I am done attaching the stones, I'll just use this um, patches just like a brush. So I'll use it for the finishing. You know, when you go to the market, you see a lot of embellishing uh, materials. It will be your choice what you do with them. You cannot just walk to the market and buy anything because you want to buy it. Before buying, you already have a picture of what you want to do. And there are a lot of things you can use for embellishment that you might just be overlooking. You are not taking it seriously. If you really want to make uh, your turban outstanding, you need to really learn how to use your embellishment and use them right. So after applying the stones, I now apply the patches, which I used in form of brooch. I prefer this to brush, so I chose to use this particular one. And I chose gold because I believe gold will come out more on purple. Though silver is perfect with purple, but I just chose gold anyway. Whatever you choose or whatever you do with the things, your embellishment is a thing of choice. It's your choice. So this is how I did the decoration for the first turban, and then I'll show you what I did with the next turban shortly. All right, this is the second turban I'll be designing. Uh, the only thing I'm using for this turban is the patches you can see with me there. So I'll just simply cut them out. I'll cut them out so that I just want to separate it. I don't want to fix it straight, so I just want to separate it, and then uh, I'll show you how I'll be placing it on the part that I need to use it. So I've done some kind of design on this turban. Don't worry, the video on how to make this turban, you'll get it on the channel shortly. In case you are interested, uh, if you are interested in how I did the bow ties around the turban, if you're interested in it, shortly that video will be available, so don't bother about that. But I'm just showing you how I design it. So for the design, all I did was to just use these patches with me to like cover each part of the midpoint of the bow. If you look at the turban, before I started applying these patches to it, and now that I have applied the patches, you see that is actually two different turban entirely, because it looks very very different compared. Can you see it? It just like it will just give it a kind of transformation, unbelievable transformation. You understand? So my concern today is how you use the patches. We have a lot of things in the market that you can use on your turban, and it will just be outstanding. It's your ability to put these things together that makes your work outstanding. You understand me? So if you look at it now, I'm almost through, and it's already looking beautiful. Is already different from the one we have at the beginning. So very little cheap something I bought to use, but you can just see the transformation. It's so cool. It's so beautiful. It's so unique. In short, it's so outstanding. Just like that. Of course, I did that design with organza. I will make sure that you get the video shortly. I don't have the video already, but I'll make sure you get it shortly. All right. So this is the third turban that I'll be decorating, and uh, I have this patches gold mixed with black, and I can decide to maybe just place it completely the way it is now, or I can decide to cut out the lace. That's it. That is, trim the lace and then get the designs I want from it. So I can just quickly fix it like this if that's what I want. But for the purpose of this video, I am not fixing it like this. I'm going to trim every part of the lace out, and I'm going to use them in a very unique uh, way. So stay tuned. Just keep watching and see what I do with these patches to embellish this turban. This all of these turbans I'm making, they can be used on kaftans. It's better with kaftan. It's not for English wear. So I decorate them in a way that befits you wearing it on a native. So as it is now, I'm done trimming the lace. I can work with UHU glue, and I can also work with hot glue to fix it. So because I want to separate the patches, I I actually trimmed the lace to enable me separate the patches. So after fixing, gluing just one to it, I noticed I don't like it that way, so I decided to cut off the other part from it. But I'll have something I'll be doing with that part later on. So I just like trim it out. If you look closely, you see that that part is kind of is round. It has its own kind of design. So I was able to manipulate it and then use it to create other designs. Just keep watching. finally, this is the last one I'll be decorating for this session. So I already have this turban. Is a body pleated turban. If you want to know how to make this turban, I have the video on my channel as well. Just check on Creative Ends platform and you will see the logo that you are seeing here now. Except you see this logo, then it is not me. If you see this logo, then it is me. So you check for Creative Ends platform, look out for this logo and check for the videos you want on my channel and you will get them straight away. So all I did was to just like attach that uh what do I call it now? I think it's still patches. So just all I did was to just attach the patches to the turban and you can just see the quick transformation it caused. Very beautiful. Ordinarily, it wasn't as beautiful as this, but right now when you look at the transformation on this turban, you just love them. You just fall in love with them. They are so unique. They are not common at all. All has to do with your creativity. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so very much for stopping by my channel today. And please don't forget to subscribe before leaving this channel. I will see you in my next video. For me,